Right guys, so I had a rattling noise in the dash. My car was taken to the dealership. A safety recall, something to do with the steering column. He came back and he came with the a noise in the dashboard. As I was driving, it just made a rattling noise from the dash. So what I did is I've got me home made tools. I've made some tools for it. So this is just a wooden wedge that I've used, nothing special. That's just a bit of metal that I've grinded down, and you're going to be using this end. What you do is you go down here, use the wedge it in there, and try to remove that bit starting from this end, and eventually it will pop out. Once you've done that, there's a little hole in here. There it is. What you do is you use this tool again, put it in that hole. Oop. Put it in that hole in there, like that. Wedge it in there, twist it about, and pull. You can feel it when it needs pulling. Same thing on the other side. It's got the same thing here, a little hole. And after you've done that, this should just come out. I had 2 screws on top of the radio, which were a bit loose. As I said, when he came back, he came with a noise. So yeah, what I've done is I took the screws out, replaced them with new screws, or you could just clean them if they're a bit dirty. Basically they weren't tight enough, so I had to tighten them up a bit more. Yeah, put everything back together. It just slots back in. Make sure them screws are tight, because otherwise it's just going to make a rattling noise. There's a few bits of metal there that hold the radio in, and yeah, that's what I did with mine. Hope this helps.